Hey everyone, welcome to today's vlog. This is a very special vlog. Today's episode, I'm in front of my parents' house, and as you can see, full of snow. Full of snow, right? So, and what have got behind me is a garage. This is where I pretty much a lot of cars came inside. I've worked on a lot of vehicles inside that garage, but the true car that I have is inside there. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn this like button and share it to everybody. For the first time ever, I'm going to actually show everybody what my car feels like. So, or sounds like. Feels like, sounds like, and actually talk about it. So, this is a special episode for me. So, stay tuned. This is it, everybody. This is my 2000 Toyota Celica. My 2000 Toyota Celica. Take a look. They're all original paint on that vehicle. Why? Your first question is, why is it high like that? Well, that's because I don't want to let it sit on the tire, on the rubber, which will cause to crack. And so I jacked it up a couple inches. That way it doesn't rest on the tire, because I don't want the tires to be cracked while I'm stored in it. It is lowered. It has the modifications it has is time suspension, Toyota shocks and struts, TRD rear strut tower brace, front tower brace, HIDs, APR wing, TRD front lip, Blitz side skirt, and Veal side rear bumper. And also has the very rare Toyota window visor. Alright, it's getting cold up here, so it has very rare 5 Zegans Hyper 5ZR. They don't make any more 5 Zegans. I don't know. Like, I rarely see them now. This is a APR wing, carbon fiber license plate garnish, license plate, custom license plate. Man, a lot of memories with this car. And it says Celica on the sunroof. I rarely see those anymore. I rarely see those. Yeah, so has Tom's exhaust. I'll start it up in a couple minutes here. Oh man. Yeah, so I pretty much had this car for a long time, and it's sentimental value to me. Very rare to see. As Toyota red emblem. Honda boys will understand. Sticker says Race Wars, Montreal's finest. I want to take this to Montreal one of these days. What else? Yeah, so this is the fully loaded version back in 2000. So, all right, now let's go into the interior. All right, we're inside the interior right now. There's no power in here because I don't have a battery, but I will start it up in a few. See, here we got TRD Sports M gauge cluster. Those are getting hard to find now. I have a Pioneer DVD flip-out deck, TRD short shifter, TRD short shifter, and TRD short shift knob. Sorry, those are getting hard to find. You see that? Remote starter / alarm system. U-Start. That was like in fashion in the 90s and early 2000s. My Pikachu. And my miniature Celica. And it does have a sound system right there. JL sub and JR subwoofer back there, 12-inch, and there's the TRD rear strut bar, Stour bar, and TRD seatbelt shoulder pads. Oh man, I miss this car. I rarely drive it. Let's call it sentimental value to me. Alright, let's go to the engine. Here we are. Here's the engine. This is a 1.8 liter engine, 2ZZ GE. There's no battery because it's been sitting here for a long time. So, and I don't want to buy a new battery. So, and my dad said, well, he's the one who's taking care of it when I'm not around the car. He's the one who's taking care of it. See here, I have rebuilt this motor. It is more powerful than it was. The modifications that I put on here is HIDs. You can see cold air intake. This is a cold air intake, everybody. It goes all the way down the bumper, so I'm always be careful with it because it doesn't have a bypass valve. So if it sucks water, bye engine. The modifications is has a clutch master dual friction clutch and Fantasia lighter flywheel. You actually feel the difference with it. The clutch actually grabs so fast, so you have to like lightly press the gas and then release a clutch. Because if you release a clutch so quick, it grabs. And lighter flywheel, it revs so quickly, so it doesn't add any horsepower, but it does rev higher, faster, and it starts up really nice. The engine has a rebuilt motor in it because the other engine I actually blew it up. Yes, I have done a race. I have raced this car, but now I don't want to race it anymore unless it's the track. Yeah, overall, I love this car. Sentimental value. There's still a lot more modifications, but I don't want to reveal it. But there's still future mods I would still want to do to it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start up really quick. You're going to hear a cold start. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is what my car sounds like. Cold start. Here's what the interior looks like. And my stereo. Kilometers. Woo! I thought it would be louder than this, but sounds so good. Cold start. I can't play the radio because copyright. But yeah, enjoy the sound of the muffler. That's my music. You guys are wondering what kind of muffler it is? It's a custom axle back. Tom's titanium exhaust. It's a titanium. Tom's. I'm not going to lower it down, but I will send you some pictures. I'll put some pictures right here, what it looks like on the day and at night. So that's my car, number one. Number uno. It still has their good looks. As you can see, this car is 22 years old and it's still in great shape. It's basically great quote. If you take care of a car, the car will take care of you. Always remember that. . For how many months is I haven't, or how many years, 2 years I never seen this up close for a long time. Oh, the memories. I'm gonna do it with another shot here. Nostalgia. I'm gonna wrap up this video today. Woo, man, I missed this. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up the video today. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I do want to come back in the summer and do some more vlogging here in Regina. A lot of friends of mine want me to come back here, car enthusiasts, and they want to go for a drive or cruise, go for meets, drifting events, car meets, car events, and so on. Yeah, going back to this car brought me so much memories, and everyone in my family wants me to sell it, but I'm like, I can't. There's so much sentimental value to me. My grandpa loves this car. My grandma, my mom's side, grandfather, my mom's side, my grandpa and my dad's side. I just can't. But I do want to continue taking this out, but we'll see how it goes. There's a lot of things I want to do to this car still. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna wrap up the video. I'm trying to get this, like, the security alarm set up for you, but some reason it's not working, so I'll catch you in the next video on that one when I come back. Yeah, anyways, a lot of history with this car. I just can't get rid of it. Anyways, this is it. This has been. Like this video and share it. Please subscribe to the channel, and always remember to stay fly, forever living young, or first love yourself. One of the two meanings. Anyways, peace.